Stirring things up. Understanding, stir frequently in cooking. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cooking-related English phrases. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning and use of stir frequently. This phrase is often seen in recipes and cooking instructions, and understanding it correctly can be the key to culinary success. Stir frequently is a common instruction found in cooking recipes. It means to mix the ingredients in a pan or pot regularly, but not continuously. The aim is to ensure that the food cooks evenly, prevents sticking to the pan, and incorporates all the ingredients well. Stirring is crucial in cooking for several reasons. 1. Prevents burning. By stirring frequently, you prevent the food at the bottom of the pan from burning. 2. Even cooking. It helps in cooking the food evenly. 3. Texture and flavor. Regular stirring can help in achieving the desired texture and flavor, especially in sauces and gravies. To stir effectively, use the right tool, like a wooden spoon or spatula. Make sure to reach the edges and bottom of the pan. Stir in a consistent and gentle manner. Not all recipes require frequent stirring. It's typically used for sauces and gravies to keep them smooth, risottos and similar dishes to develop a creamy texture, dishes with a tendency to stick or burn easily. Set a timer. To remember to stir, set a timer for every few minutes. Low to medium heat. When a recipe calls for stirring frequently, it's often best to cook on low to medium heat. Stay close. Stay near the stove to keep an eye on the cooking process. And that's all about stir frequently. Next time you come across this phrase in a recipe, you'll know exactly what to do. Happy cooking, and may your dishes always be delicious and well stirred. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language tips.